right, I think that's all the bracing this building is going to need for a while. Those pieces of rebar with the, I think those are 6-inch, 7-inch bolts. I forget how long those bolts are. They have about 6 inches of thread on each end of them. And that lag bolt is a 1/2-inch lag bolt that's going in. It's actually lagged into that 6x6, I think about 5.5 inches. So it's got plenty of bite to it. They're plenty strong right now. I didn't snug them up too much. I figure after I get the roof trusses on and get it sheathed and the roof on and get it all kind of going a little bit more, I would go through and snug them up a little bit more. I don't want to put too much tension on it until I get those trusses up and ready to go. The walls, or the 6x6 posts, those are all already plumb. They were plumb when I put the plywood up, and then I put the knee braces up to help the plywood. The posts are still plumb, they're still good to go. This bracing is more or less for wind racking the building back and forth. I didn't want the wind to be pushing on my building and have it move. I want everything to be nice and stout. Speaking of stout, that center wall, got the 2x10 up on top of that center wall. Got these logs here, most of them making A-frames, and the 2x10 is supported every 6 feet by one of these supports. Had to stack some wood up in some places to make it level, but it came out nice and level, really strong. Something to set those trusses on until we get them tilted up. Be nice. Still got about, what, 7-8 days? 7 days? I think 7 days now. We should be getting those trusses. Get them in, get them tilted up. Hopefully get a roof on this place real soon. Till next time, guys, go make something. What are you doing, Thea? You be on camera? Look, Thea puppers. We got everybody over here now.